guys, myself Nikhil. I'm from the Note Automation. We have the dealership in India for the Eton Systems. Actually, this Eton system is from the Sweden and is operated from the in India. It is operated from the China. Right now, I will show you this. This is conveyor system. We have the three modules. One is Opta system, another one is Synchro, and third one is Advanced module. Opta systems comes with the 2.55 meters height, and the Advanced systems comes with the up to the 5 meters height. We can use this system in the apparel, home textile, furniture industry, or else in the car dashboard manufacturing system. This conveyor system is used for the operational transportation, like the one operation to the another operation. Here we have displayed the two different types of clamps. This which is used in this apparel industry. Here we can see the different braces are there. The different cut parts can be placed in these braces. Okay, another clamp is there. Is especially for the TOI product. Here we can insert the quilt product. Like this, we have total 90 different types of clamps where these types of clamps can be used for the lingerie, for the apparel, or else we can use it for the car dashboards, any other as per your requirements. And right now, whatever we have displayed here, one is Opta system and the Synchro system can be expanded as per our requirements.